student. Today we will continue the same lesson of class 10 chapter 1. The new topic is the strange case of Britain. Britain is a country in Europe and it was earlier they are the part of different kingdom. It's an island group of country. So how the people of different identity live in the British Isles. They were English, Welsh, Scot or Irish. English nation steadily grew in the wealth, importance and power. It was able to extend its influence. The English Parliament, which has seized power from the monarchy in 1688, that was the Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland that resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of a Great Britain to lead to this demonstration of Scotland's distinctive culture and political institution. The Scottish Highlanders were forbidden to speak their Gaelic language or wear their national dress, and large number of forcefully driven out of the homeland. In the same context, Ireland, it is also an island very near to the Britain. There also the Ireland is deeply divided between the Catholic and Protestant. The English helped the Protestant of Ireland to establish their dominance over the large Catholic country. Catholic revolt against British domination was suppressed by forcefully. Ireland was forcibly incorporated into the United Kingdom in 1801. The amalgam led to growth of a new powerful nation, a Britain. The symbol of the new Britain, the British flag, that is called Union Jack. This is the symbol of a Union Jack. And the national anthem, God Save Our Noble King. The English language were actively promoted, and the older nations survived only as subordinate partners in the Union. This is how the Britain become the country, and it is united among all the Scottish, Irish, and this country become one country. Now visualization, the nation. The artist in the 18th and 19th century found a way out of the personification nation. Means nation where the portrait of a female figure. That female figure became the allegory of a nation. Allegory means when the abstract idea, for instance, greed, envy, freedom, liberty is expressed through a person or thing. An allegory story has two meanings, one literal or one is symbolic. Franz C was criticized Christian Marigny, a popular Christian name, which underlined the idea of a pupil nation. Although the female figure that was not related to the real face of any person. If it is this was the idea of allegory in the France, that is liberty, justice and republic. These are the symbol for that. In the same way, in Germany also, Germania become the allegory of the German nation, and it visualized with the Germania wear a crown of oak leaf. This is the Germania which wearing a oak leaf, as a German oak stands for heroism. So this is the end of the topic. Let me continue the next topic.